Work-ready Brandt on-highway transporter trailers are purpose-built for a smooth ride and even smoother operation. The C550 delivers more load versatility and faster turnaround times to ensure you get more out of every minute on the road and on-site. Premium QT100 steel construction, an innovative neck connection, and the largest deck well in the industry let you handle all types of construction and forestry equipment with ease. It features a rated capacity of 55 tons or 110,000 pounds and delivers the maximum service life on the harshest highways, so you can count on this trailer to pull through when you need it most. In this top-to-bottom overview, we'll be looking at the unique features that set the C550 trailer apart from the competition and make it easier to operate, safer, and easier to own. Productivity is essential to your success, which is why we've optimized the C550 to deliver the most efficient operation possible. The C550 boasts the largest deck well in the industry and a 53-foot overall length trailer, delivering 26 feet and 10 inches of usable deck length. It also features an 18-inch loaded deck height with a standard 6-foot knuckle trough and full-length boom trough that is the deepest on the market today, making this the ideal trailer for hauling boom forestry and construction equipment. This 55-ton construction trailer delivers lightning-fast turnaround with an innovative gooseneck coupling system that provides a perfect connection every time, even on unlevel ground. The coupling process pulls the neck into the deck, even if you're not quite squared up, and allows for reconnection on uneven ground with significantly greater range than the competition. For added convenience, the replaceable tip on the end of the heavy-duty anti-dive pin makes changeout due to damage a simple, inexpensive task that can be performed right on the job site. The narrow, low-profile gooseneck design allows equipment to straddle the gooseneck and be loaded further forward on the trailer to provide a greater range to balance your load. Our flip-over gooseneck extension enables the use of a single-axle Jeep to haul more payload and satisfy road regulations, and can be upgraded with an optional hydraulic flip. It also features a movable air and electrical connection point. Simply lift it out of the retainer at the front of the trailer and move it to the front of the gooseneck extension, or vice versa. This will save you time, reduce the number of total connection points, lower the chance of failure, and ultimately make this trailer far more reliable. The T-style gooseneck support arm allows the weight of the detached neck to rest on the truck or Jeep frame, unlike Stinger-style arms that need a lateral crossmember or blocking to support the neck. End caps on the T-bar keep the neck stable on uneven ground, making reconnection easier while also preventing damage to the gooseneck. The gooseneck's auto ratchet shim arm features 7 settings to maintain optimal ground clearance and automatically drops into place as the trailer height is adjusted. The 14-horsepower EFI Hydraulic PowerPack option on this trailer features fuel injection that delivers better starting and performance year-round. The engine is housed in the lower base of the gooseneck and is exhausted out of the enclosure to keep the engine running smoother, more efficiently, and keep the compartment cleaner. A removable rear panel provides quick engine access for servicing. Engine mount at the front of the gooseneck is also available, and operators have the option to use the supplied Wet Kit Quick Connects to run the hydraulics off the truck tractor with Wet Kit installed. The 35-degree front-loading ramps are purpose-built to handle low-clearance equipment, extending past the neck connection to reduce the need for added blocking. Optional 12-degree front flip-over loading ramps allow for lower clearance equipment to be loaded. These ramps are available in steel or Apatong hardwood and come complete with spring assist for easier handling. Not only do they provide a smoother transition when driving equipment up onto the deck, they can also be easily removed when they are not needed. Our short deck end ramps are another option available with the C550 that provide a safe transition to help get equipment up and onto the suspension without sacrificing deck space. And they can be easily removed when hauling longer loads that need to be shifted to the very back of the deck well. D-rings, chain pockets, and chain cutouts are located in all the places you need them along the length of the deck to deliver the ultimate in load securement. Plus, larger half-inch chain cutouts reduce the number of chaining components you need to do the job, saving you steps and time. Optional swing-out steel outriggers easily handle oversized loads. The custom clip-in reinforced front outrigger is designed with a provision to add belting to reduce wear from tracked equipment. And the outriggers are easily removed to reduce tear weight or to replace them if damaged. The C550's multiple rear ride height adjustment valve features 5 settings between 4.5 and 7.5 inches that allow you to quickly set ground clearance for road conditions. allowing you to customize your load appropriately for bridges, railway crossings, crowned roads, and more as needed. Suspension controls are mounted inside driver's side bolster behind a sealed door to protect the controls from the elements and ensure longer life of the components. These controls are also easier to access than rear-mounted controls and are easily serviceable with 2-bolt access. For better load weight distribution and to increase payload capacity, this trailer has a pin-on axle option. The pin-on axle features easy access lock pins, which includes air and electrical connectors, and hydraulic connectors if ordered with the hydraulic flip option. The pin-on hydraulic flip axle is easy to flip up and down in minutes using the built-in Hydraulic PowerPack or a standard hydraulic wet kit hookup. There is no need to unhook air hoses and unplug electrical, which means more uptime for you. The flip axle control lever is in the driver's side bolster next to the suspension air controls for ease of use, enabling continuous visibility over the moving axle. Another option available on this trailer is our auto shim spreader and pin-on axle booster. These help to increase trailer payload even further by distributing load weight over more axles. One-touch operation on the control panel automatically shims to any load and constantly adjusts to ensure it scales correctly, limiting the chance of damage to the trailer, shortening turnaround time, and simplifying trailer operation. For fast, easy alignment and hookup, the spreader features individual cylinder control. The booster controls are kept in a sealed, illuminated box to protect them from the elements, provide one-point access, and ensure visibility at any time of day. Additionally, Brandt's V10 Slingshot Booster is a cost-effective option with minimal components for operators that do not require a pin-on fourth axle. This simplified booster uses only air pressure to take up trailer payload and offers a very tight turning radius. Safety is critical on the job site, so the C550 includes key features that maximize operator protection. To provide safe, stable footing for the operator when working on the deck in icy or wet conditions, the C550 comes standard with 2-inch fur decking across the entire length of the trailer. Fur decking in between the main beams is available as an option, or you can upgrade to long-lasting apatong decking between the outer and main beams and in between the main beams. Like all Brandt trailers, the C550 boosts the tractor brake signal for superior brake application and release performance. This rapid response time reduces stopping distance for added safety when transporting loads of any size. Optional LED work lights located on the back of the trailer gooseneck illuminate the deck for a safer work environment for the operator at night or in low light conditions to ensure your operator can always see what they're doing. And optional swing-out wide-load lights help ensure the safe transportation of over-width loads. Aside from features that make this trailer more productive, easier to operate, and safer, we've also taken several steps to extend component life and make ownership of the C550 as stress-free as possible. The C550 provides maximum strength at the lowest tear weight. QT100 structural steel is used wherever possible to reduce weight and add weld strength, allowing our engineers to achieve industry-leading tear weight compared to similarly equipped trailers. That translates into greater payload capacity and longer trailer life with less downtime. Brandt has decades of experience engineering and manufacturing heavy-duty hydraulic cylinders. That expertise has enabled us to purpose-build the hydraulic cylinders used in the C550 with protective sleeves to protect against pitting and corrosion. This delivers extra durability and longer component life, outlasting anything that is available on the market. And speaking of trailer life, every steel component on this trailer receives a thorough cover of Brandt's premium powder coat paint. In addition to good looks, our highly durable powder coat finish delivers superior rust protection for higher resale value and a lower total cost of ownership. Arctic cold weather wiring ensures reliable electrical performance down to -50 degrees Celsius. All wires run directly through the tubes on the steel frame to protect them from the elements and road wear, preventing electrical issues and significantly extending the life of your trailer. Brandt has an expansive coast-to-coast dealer network across Canada that delivers unmatched customer and product support. With more full-service branches than any competitor and a 24/7, 365 customer service center staffed by specialists, you can access superior service anywhere your operation goes. Plus, your trailer is backed by industry-leading 5-year structural, 2-year bumper-to-bumper warranty to make ownership stress-free. Brandt Financing delivers flexible purchasing options, including lease, rental purchasing, and conventional financing. No matter where the job takes you, work-ready Brandt on highway transporter trailers deliver the reliable designs, low tear weight, and long-lasting components that you need to succeed. True to their name, work-ready Brandt trailers are ready to work when you are every single day. For a list of available options or to request a quote, contact your nearest Brandt trailer dealer or visit brandt.ca.